Hello friends. Now let us take up the concept number 13, 19.13. Stream layering. Stream layering is one of the techniques used in Java IO management in order to optimize the efficiency of the programs. Actually, Java developers in every aspect they focused on optimization of efficiency of the Java programs. For that purpose, even though it is complicated, they created number of specialized classes for each type of special operation. A special class was created. At the same time, a big set of specialized methods are created. By that specialization, actually there may be complexity in understanding and studying the subject, but once you understand that, because of these specialized services, the efficiency of the program is 100% improved. That we know, already we discussed. Apart from that, there are some other techniques they introduced in Java language. One of the such technique is stream layering. Actually, from a real life point of view, if you think, suppose for a function sake, for conducting a party sake, you appointed a chef, an efficient chef. No doubt he is efficient and he can perform, he can cook good food. Along with the chef, if you provide some other specialized staff, because in order to prepare dishes and all that, some specialized services are required, like chopping vegetables, preparation of masalas, and many things are there. So, if you provide corresponding specialists for the providing allied services for cooking, the efficiency of the chef will be much more increased. This is obvious. In the same manner, Java may provide specialized methods for each and every type of operations, but because of this layering, efficiency is much more improved. So, first through a simple example, I am going to explain this one. If you have to write or read any data and all that, you have to create a file object. To write some characters or text on a file, a specialized class is there, that is the file writer class. So, file writer class provides corresponding methods for writing characters on a file. Okay, but it's if you use it alone, file writer class alone, the efficiency is not that much. So, in order to improve its efficiency of the operations, it takes one buffered writer. Buffered writer is combined with the buffer writer object, the efficiency of the file writer will be improved. But file writer, buffered writer does not have one way it improves the efficiency of the file writer class by creating buffers and all that, but it does not have such an efficient methods for writing characters. So, for writing characters sake, print writer class is there. For writing characters on a file, print writer class provides the most efficient methods. So, in this way, on file writer object, buffered writer object is layered, and on buffered writer object, print writer object is layered. This is the layering. Because of this layering, you feel the programming is very complex. No doubt. In the first instance, you may feel it is complex. But once you understand the technique and all that, one time writing code will be written. And now all types of layerings are like this only. Instead of writing one statement, you write multiple statements. That is the only difference. But once you tune up to that, then you feel it just routine. So one time if you bear complexity also, then the efficiency of the program is very much improved, very much improved. That is the strategy behind stream layering. Now the print writer class methods is called for writing characters on a file. Then in turn it calls buffer writer class methods, and in turn it calls print writer class methods. In this way operations are performed, and because of this layering, the efficiency of the operations will be improved. And in this context, one thing I have to tell you, theoretically whatever I explain and all that, you may not grasp how it is implemented. It looks somewhat complex and difficult, but it is very simple. That is why I am going to explain you 6 programs, and by these 6 programs you feel this code is very simple, but the efficiency of the program is very much improved. And in this context, one more important point I have to tell you, if we have to perform simple operations and all that, this layering is not required. A simple way, using file writer only you can do that. But in big large tasks and all that, efficiency always very much required. That is why in view of improving the efficiency or optimizing the efficiency of the program, this layering must be used. But simple tasks and all that, you need not go for this layering. So now first focus on 6 demos. I am going to explain one by one. If you understand them and write them, simple programs only, then you will be fully tuned up with this, and you can digest this concept very easily.